I'm getting so annoyed. I'm trying to put this together. And I can't do it because I'm on my own. And I keep lifting it up. I've got to put a screw. Where are these bloody screws? I've got to put this down there. And every time I lift it up, I can't get it in the fucking hole. Oh, I've been given this sound booth. It's amazing. Like, if we go in here, how dead is that sound? It's so good. Anyway. God, I wish this cold would go away. So, and then I've got to try and fit it into this tiny space. And Mum wants to, so I've got another table for Mum. She wants another chest of drawers, and then she's going to do her art on that table, and I'm going to work over here. So I've got to get rid of this. No room in my house. I've made room in the shed for it, but I want to keep it. Oh, if only there was like another one of these next door. Oh, I don't know what to do. It's so frustrating because, of course, one day when Mummy goes up to heaven, this stuff will probably not be here. Mind you, there's lots of lovely art stuff. I mean, maybe I become an artist. I mean, who knows? I can't draw to save my life. Anyway, I need someone to come to my house and help me lift up this bloody thing.